Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. How to create a animated logo for your YouTube videos. First thing you want to do is watch my first video on how to create a logo. Now after this, by the time I make this video, I'm going to have a new video up on a simpler way to create a logo. So you got to watch that video before you watch this one. Alright, now after you learn how to make a logo, you're going to go to your C drive, your program files, and you're going to go to Movie Maker. Your shared folder, add on TFX, and this is where you're going to put the frames of your logo. Right now I'm only using 2 frames for a simple animation, and my first frame is going to be my logo's 03, and the second frame will be my logo 04. Now I'm going to show you a quick preview of these 2 frames right here. As I go switch between the 2 frames, you can see how, the stack of money looks like it's flashing, like it's getting bigger and smaller, right? Okay, now after you've done that, you're going to open up Windows Movie Maker. Okay, now you open up Windows Movie Maker and you have to find your 2 frames. Now how you do that is you're going to go to Make Titles or Credits, Title on the selected clip, and you want to change the title animation, and you're going to look under titles in 2 lines, and you'll see the name of your logo once you learn how to create a logo. So these are my 2 frames, my logo 03 and my logo 04. So once you find the first frame, you're going to click Edit Title Text, and you're going to hit the space bar just 1 time over here. Then you're going to click Done, Add Title to Movie. And you'll see the first frame down here. Now you want to add the second frame. Make titles or credits, title on the selected clip, change the title animation. Now your second frame, edit the title text, hit the space bar 1 time so you can add it to the movie, and bow, there it is. You got 2 frames, frame 1 and frame 2. Now let's zoom in and make this bigger. Now you choose. Now what we gotta do is we want more frames per second for faster animation. So you're gonna make these 2 frames smaller, down to about 0.25 milliseconds each. That's the smallest it can get. Now you want to bring your 2 frames together, but not to overlap. Now you're going to bring the cursor, this cursor here, you're going to bring it all the way back to the beginning of the movie. Well, not yet at least. First you're going to copy, first you're going to select both of the frames, then you're going to copy to your clipboard, then you're going to move the cursor all the way back to the beginning of the movie. Then you're going to go to your title overlay track, right click and paste, right click and paste, right click, paste. Now I'm going to do this until I get about 4 seconds of animation. right? Just keep doing that till I hit just around, just a little over 4 seconds. All right. Now, once you know created as much seconds of animation as you want, you're going to select all of those, copy it to your clipboard, move this cursor back to the beginning of the movie, right? See? And then do the same thing. You're going to right click and paste. Right click, paste. Right click and paste. Now I'm gonna go to until I get about 20 seconds, just a little over 20 seconds. I have 22 seconds of animation. Now you can zoom out, right? Select, repeat the same previous steps. Move the cursor back to the beginning. Now right click and paste. Right click, paste. Now I've got just a little over 1 minute of animation. So now I'm going to play this animation for you so you can see right here. You see how the logo is moving, right? Now it looks a little choppy on my computer because, you know, this screen capture software is taking up a lot of processing power. But once I can show you down here, as you can see, my CPU is at 100%. But anyway, hold up, let me show you. Yeah, okay, anyway. And that's how you create an animated logo for your YouTube video. So now what we're going to do is add the main video right here to the video track. This is about 30 seconds each. I'm going to do the same thing. Copy the video to the clipboard, right click, and paste. Now you've got about a minute. Well, it's actually 1 minute and 7 seconds. So now we're going to play this animation with the blue background. As you can see, it's moving. Well, that's just a basic idea. Now, just imagine if you added more frames and made a bigger animation. You could practically make like a little cartoon if you wanted to. But that'll take a lot more work and time. As you can see, okay, and that's about it. That's how you add an animated logo to your YouTube videos. Now, what you gotta do is watch my new video now. I got a new video coming out. Well, it's gonna be posted up with a simpler way on how to create a logo for your YouTube videos.